This is Asian Fairy Dragon, my first. This is Black Rose Dragon, my second. This is Junk Warrior, and fourth. And this is Junk Warrior again. Also, fifth. Wait, no, that's last.
He said fifth. Other way so we can see it.
Okay, I have Crystal Beast, Pixie Ring, Yellow Gadget, whatever her name is, Gemini, Black Wing, Yellow Vanguard, White Pluton, Harpy's Pet Baby Dragon, Socrates Armor, Wind Charmer, Kazi, Buko, Graceful Revival, Synchro Boobs, Synchro Deflector, whatever.
Deflector. Okay, just for YouTube, there's a little Filipino dude, and he's videotaping his deck, his random deck.
Lightning Vortex.
No deck in particular.
GB Hunter, Penguin Soldier, Crystal Beast, Golden Teacher,
Crystal Beast,
Dust Tornado, Harpy Lady 1, Elemental Hero Lady Heat, Sunny Pixie, Heavy Storm, Socrates Armor.
Try to put them in the exact same spot so it's easier.
Harpy Lady 2.
Thank you.
Scrap Iron Scarecrow, Karibo, Giant D, Smashing Grounds, White Gadget, Arcane Apprentice, Storm Shooter, Furniture Barrel, Mystical Space Typhoon, Sabersaurus, Ancient City Rainbow.
Just put this. He just has that in because he wants a
Whatever.
field spell.
Swords of Revealing Light.
He's
Black
pretty
Wings,
good,
Dawn,
but
and Ericus the Dawn.
now what card is your favorite, Vincent? It's your Fairy Dragon. And thanks for watching. This is Yu-Gi-Oh! Retur. It's supposed to be Master, but I messed up. And then I have some numbers on it. And now